Hello everybody, my name is Melvin Rivera and I'm with MWI Pumps out of the Fort Myers branch, and I came to showcase a couple of our hydraulic pump units, our submersible hydraulic pump and our 2400 drive units. So here in this water pit, we actually don't see the submersible pump, and it's down inside, and it's powered by these drive units, these 2400 drive units and hydraulic motors to power these submersible pumps. So here below you can see the water pit, the hydraulic lines, our drive units up above, and then the discharge off of those hydraulic heads to another retention area away from the excavation area. Here at MWI Pumps, we take pride in providing top-tier service on site and for any 24/7 emergencies that you guys may have.